Hello prospectors! In this video I'm going to show you how to mine deep ore veins in Icarus. Over on the tech tree you can find this device called Biofuel Deep Mining Drill in the Tier 3 section and the Electric Deep Mining Drill in the Tier 4 section. Since I'm going to be covering the whole deep mining aspect of the game, I might as well include the two methods of doing it. You can make the biofuel version with 12 steel ingots, 10 copper ingots, 12 epoxy, 10 electronics, and 50 copper wires. For the electric one, you can make it with 25 aluminium ingots, 15 electronics, 12 steel screws, 8 titanium ingots, and 8 carbon fiber. To make steel screws, you simply just need a steel ingot just like the wires that I mentioned. But first, let's know how to make steel. To make steel ingots, you're going to need to make the steel bloom. There's multiple recipes for this, so you can choose whichever one you want that suits best for you. All you have to do is craft the steel bloom and then just shove it into a concrete furnace or a higher tier furnace. Give it some time until it turns into a steel ingot. The electronics can be made with both copper and gold wires. These can be made simply just by using copper and gold ingots. Organic resin can be made in the mortar and pestle for a piece of wood and oxide. For the epoxy, you can make this with the use of crushed bones, or the recipe that uses sulfur and tree sap. I'd recommend the crushed bones one, since it's cheaper and renewable. To make the carbon fiber, you need to make the paste version of it first. You can make it in the mortar and pestle, or better yet, in the material processor with silica ore, aluminium ingot, 4 organic resin, and 2 epoxy. Once you make the carbon paste, just place it into a concrete furnace or a higher tier furnace to turn it into carbon fiber. That should have covered most of everything that you need to know to make both drills. Let's get to testing them and which one would suit best for you. Since the biofuel one only needs a biofuel can to power it, the pros of using this drill is that you can pretty much use it anywhere you want, and won't have to worry about what power source you have to use for it. However, the downside of this is that you have to manually go back to the drill to fuel it again and again, which is kind of a hassle. Another thing is that the drill doesn't have that much inventory space. The electric drill uses electricity to function. You can do two methods to power this. One would be to use a portable biofuel generator and attach it to the drill. The generator will last for over 3 hours and 40 minutes, so you don't have to check this frequently. The second method that we can do is basically place a long line of the electricity tool all the way from your base to the location of the drill. This way you won't have to manually fuel the generator. The great thing about this drill is the amount of inventory space. It has over triple the inventory space of the biofuel drill. I like using the second method because I tend to forget to check these drills every now and again. And that's about it on how to mine deep ore veins in Icarus.